As a part of 30th anniversary celebration, AMRITA KAIRALI Vidya Bhavan Senior Secondary School celebrated Commerce Day on 7th August with a series of activities for the students of Commerce stream. Our guest of honor, Sri.Renjith Mathew, career consultant of Trivandrum Logistics School of Management, inaugurated the special occasion, and the winners of quiz competitions were awarded with trophies and certificates. The day's program began with a special assembly that gave the message on the importance of the day. To motivate the children and make them self-directed learners, a career guidance class was conducted and Sri.Renjith Mathew led the classes.